everybody and welcome to this video. Today we are going to test 6 different props on the Hidea 15 horsepower. I got an 8, 9, 10 and 10 with a 4-blade, an 11 pitch and a 12 pitch propel. So that's going to be insane amount of prop changing for me to do. But let's just go to the sea, have a test on everything and let's just see how it goes. And I can tell you, it will not go as planned. Goddamn beep day, because I want to test it 6 different props today. Every time I put the in gear and give it a little speed, it dies. Why the heck does it do that? Okay, I actually got it. I just pull out the spark plug wires and put them in again, and I think I have pulled one of them a little bit out when I put my things on it. So now we are running and it's just good. I have this one installed, but it's not working. I cannot select everything. It's just saying service, and before it was just saying hours. So can't test that. So the only thing we can test today is a speed test. So let's just do that. 8 pitch propel. So let's just give it a go. Let's put it in gear first. Now we have the 9 pitch on, so let's see how that will go. That's weird. Oh, that was planning. Hear the sound of the engine. Not good. I think that the small pitch here is not suited for this boat here. It must be the RPM stopper that coming up says go, 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 go. Because of that weird sound with the engine, duck, 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 I decided to put on the 12 pitch because that is the one that I have sailed with the most, and it doesn't do that. I don't know if it does it on this boat here, but it do not do it on my dinghy. So let's just have it for a spin. Pitch. Now it's planning. Let's go for the 11 pitch prop. Let's see how that will go. Now it's planning. Yeehaw! Now we have the 10 pitch prop with 3 blade. Okay, and let's go. Planning now. But first, today's beer. Ooh. This one is actually an IPA beer. It's from the brand Carlsberg. That's a Danish brand and it's one of the best brands in the world, and you can get it all over the world. The normal Carlsberg, not this one. Cheers, my friends. Oh, good. I got an issue with the engine. The pull starter is jammed and I tried to pull in it and just see if it will release or something, but it didn't. So I think something broke inside, some plastic things, something like that. So irritating. As you can see, I broke this one, so I couldn't use the pull starter anymore. You can unscrew this. You can take this one off. Then you can use a rope and a handle to pull start it with. I will show you how. Never tie it around your hand like this. Never do that. So what we're going to do is place this one in here. Turn it around. Take this one. Spin it. Conclusion. Result of the day's test was actually I will use the 12 pitch. I'm really sad that I didn't test the 10 pitch with the 4-bladed prop, because I really looked forward to testing that one, but that will come in another video later on. So if you have a heavy boat, if you have a bigger boat, if you have many people in the boat, much weight in the boat, go down in pitch. But in this setup with only me on this boat here and also on my dinghy, I will go for the 12 pitch prop. I'm really sad that I cannot get a bigger prop for that one. But look at the results. Have fun, sail safe, and have a good day.